Benefits: uses of herbs at home. Discover the magic of homegrown herbs. They're not just for garnishing. These green miracles can boost your health and wellness. Did you know herbs like basil and mint help in digestion? They're also packed with antioxidants, essential for a healthy body. Add a kick to your meals with fresh herbs. They not only enhance flavor, but also help in reducing sodium intake. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. Use herbs like lavender and rosemary for natural skincare. They're gentle yet effective. Lastly, herbs like sage and lavender can promote a restful sleep. So, welcome tranquility with these aromatic healers.